What is Psca? Psca is part of the post-secondary education scheme to help parents save for their children's post-secondary education eligible for all Singaporeans. How can Psca be used? 1. Psca can be used to pay for your child's or their siblings' approved programs at approved institutions. When will your Psca be closed? Your child's Psca will be closed on the year they turn 31. How to check your Psca balance? Dial the 24-hour automated Psca hotline at 62600777 to check your account balance. Psca can only be used on our WSQ 2-day courses. To check if the course is eligible for Psca funding, click on the WSQ course you are interested in. Scroll down to the WSQ funding gray box. If Psca is indicated, you may use your Psca for the course. After you have successfully registered on our website, we will email you a Psca form to fill in. Guide on filling in the Psca form. Part 1. It is compulsory to fill in all the details. For institution name, please fill in Tertiary Infotech Pte Ltd. Course description will be the name of the course you are attending. You can find the course code on our website, below the WSQ funding box. Copy and paste the course code into the C form. For usage category, fill in SSG's Clark. The course fee will be the net fee after funding. You will only need to fill in Part 2 if you are using your sibling's Psca. If you are using your own Psca, move on to Part 3. If you are age 21 and above, you will only need to sign this part. If you are 21 years and below, please get your parent or guardian to sign this part. After you have completed the Psca form, please submit it back to us before the class. Thank you for watching. If you have any clarifications, please email us at inquiry@tertiaryinfotech.com.